Hi, I'm Anthony. Welcome to the College of Hospitality, Retail, and Sport Management at USC. I'll show you around. Carolina campus is very walkable. You can kind of get wherever you need to go in just a few minutes. I didn't know anybody being from Virginia, but what I found is that people here were extremely welcoming. My experience in HRSM has been nothing but positive. I think faculty are probably the strongest resource that this college offers. Dr. Grady and I had the opportunity to do research down at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio, and that's not an opportunity that a lot of students get. So having a diverse range of faculty with a lot of expertise has definitely been a great asset to me in my college career. I actually got connected to the Washington Redskins, ended up completing a summer internship with them, and that was an incredible experience because not only was it with the Dream organization, but it also prepared me in the field that I want to work for. So I work with our intramural sports department. I actually oversee our football and basketball leagues as our student sport coordinator. On a nightly basis, I'm also officiating myself, so you'll see me out there. It's something that I really enjoy. I love the staff I work with, and they're some of the best people I've met here at Carolina. I love to see as many of the Gamecock sporting events as I can. I love going down to Williams-Brice to the football stadium. Basketball is great here. Our women's team is phenomenal, and our men are pretty good too. Baseball is obviously a huge attraction. I actually got to go down to the softball field as part of my sports journalism class. We actually had the opportunity to go down there, interview a couple players, so that's a cool experience. I would say just dive in once you get here. Take advantage of all the opportunities that come your way, and you're going to find a lot of things that are really going to push you to take that next step in your career goal. Because of Carolina, I'm prepared to chase all of my career and academic goals for the rest of my life.